everyone, and welcome to Little Wiggles. I'm Miss Amanda. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is all about love and kindness. So if you're joining us for the first time, we always start our story times with a song called Hello Friends, and we'll go through that sign language right now. If you know the melody, you can help sing along with me later. So it goes like this. We'll start with hello with a salute, and then we alternate our fingers for friends. Hello, friends. We do this 3 times. Hello, friends. And then we point to our watch. It's time. And then our chin twice to say, and then hello. So you can sing along with me. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. So welcome. So if you remember from last time when we did Artapalooza, we talked a little bit about the colors of the rainbow. So you'll need to know those for this song. And at the end of the song, we're all gonna say, we do too. So you can help sing along with me. And this is a really fun tune to get to know your colors as well, so we can practice those again. So it goes like this. Red little Valentine, I love you. Red little Valentine, I love you. Red little Valentine, I love you. Orange says me too. Orange little Valentine, I love you. Orange little Valentine, I love you. Orange little Valentine, I love you. Can you guess what color is coming next? Yellow says me too. Yellow little Valentine, I love you. Yellow little Valentine, I love you. Yellow little Valentine, I love you. Green says me too. Green little Valentine, I love you. Green little Valentine, I love you. Green little Valentine, I love you. Blue says me too. Blue little Valentine, I love you. Blue little Valentine, I love you. Blue little Valentine, I love you. Our last color, purple says me too. Purple little Valentine, I love you. Purple little Valentine, I love you. Purple little Valentine, I love you. And you ready for that callback? Everyone says we do. Awesome. Thank you for helping me with that song. So we'll take our hearts down. And our story today is Love by Emma Dodd, courtesy of Candlewick Press. So you can request this one for curbside pickup or come on into the library when we're open, currently on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. You can come stop in and say hello. That's really exciting. It's fun to see everybody back at the library. Love is in the morning when you wake and smile at me. Love is when we talk together, as happy as can be. Sometimes love is quiet and needs no words at all. Love is there to catch you when you are about to fall. Love is when we huddle close and shelter from a shower. Love is when we take the time to stop and smell a flower. I love you when you get it right and when you get it wrong. The world is much more lovely since the day you came along. I love you so, and when I try to count the reasons why, I find there are more reasons. Than there are stars up in the sky. And that's our story. It's Love by Emma Dodd. And our next activity will also include some flannels. I love flannel. And I received a few Valentines from animal friends, and they are going to help tell our story. So I have 6 Valentines here. Okay, so let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and our story goes like this. 6 little Valentines were sent to my house. This one said, I love you, from Mouse. All right, let's count the remaining Valentines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So who can show me 5? 5 fingers, 5 Valentines left. 5 little Valentines in my mailbox. This one said, be mine, love Fox. So here's ours from Fox. We'll take it down. And how many do we have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 4 Valentines. 4 little Valentines full of love. This one said, you're sweet, from Dove. So we'll take this next one down. And now how many do we have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. So 3 Valentines are left. 3 little Valentines just for me. This one said, be my honey, love bee. So we'll take down the next one. And let's count these together. 1, 2. 2 little Valentines mailed with care. This one said, here's a hug from Bear. So we'll take down the next one. And let's count this. We have 1 left. 1 little Valentine from my friend Jay. This one said, Happy Valentine's Day. We'll take this one down, and that's our story. So we'll end today's Little Wiggles with Goodbye Friends. And what we're going to do is we will just wave goodbye, and then we'll do friends again. And we do this 3 times. So goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. And then the same pattern of it's time, we point to our watch, to say goodbye. So let's sing this one together. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. So until next time, have a wonderful Valentine's Day.